Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Confluent Cloud topics for improved streaming reliability. Full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Confluent Cloud account. Navigate to the Topics section on the Confluent Cloud dashboard. Locate the topic you wish to update for improved streaming reliability. Click on the topic name to access its details. Review the current configuration settings for the selected topic. Pay attention to the partitions setting, as increasing the number of partitions can enhance throughput. If necessary, adjust the number of partitions to optimize for your workload. Next, examine the replication factor. A higher replication factor increases fault tolerance but may introduce latency. Consider setting the replication factor to at least 3 for production environments. Now, check the retention settings for your topic. Longer retention periods can lead to more reliable data recovery but may require additional storage. Adjust the retention settings according to your business needs and data access patterns. Once you have made the desired updates, click on the Save Changes button. Confirm that the new settings have been applied successfully. It may take a few moments for changes to propagate across the system. Monitor the topic's performance after the updates for any improvements. Utilize Confluent's monitoring tools to track key metrics. Look for enhancements in throughput, latency, and error rates. If issues arise, consider revisiting your settings or consulting the documentation. Regularly reviewing and updating your configurations can help maintain optimal streaming reliability. Stay informed about new features or best practices through Confluent's community and resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.